ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। चैप्टर 11 संस्कृत वाक्य। उस छात्र को यह फूल अच्छा लगता है। प्लीज कैन यू मेक वाक्य इनटू संस्कृत?
Start from the beginning, right? So are we starting from the beginning, that second one?
Yes, yes. Oh, this is which page? 11. Oh, in book there are different readings are different. I am looking at book, so इस लड़के को यह फूल अच्छा लगता है।
एषा बालिकायै एतत् पुष्पं रोचते।
एषा is which vibhakti?
Sorry. एतस्मै. No.
एतस्मै is pullinga or strilinga?
एतस्यै. एतस्यै. एतस्यै बालिकायै एतत् पुष्पं रोचते.
Yes. Next, इस बालक को यह पुस्तक अच्छी लगती है।
The pushpam, right?
पुष्पम. पुष्पम.
Pushpani, ete pushpani, right?
Is it? I think it is ekavachanam, right?
Fool is ekavachanam. Phoolo means.
Okay, phoolo. Okay, sorry.
No, it's okay.
It is ekavachanam. Okay, second one. उस बालक को यह पुस्तक अच्छी लगती है।
सः बालकाय एतस्मै पुस्तकाय रोचते।
सः is which vibhakti?
प्रथम एकवचन.
बालकाय is which vibhakti?
Sorry. तस्मै बालकाय एतस्मै no. तस्मै बालकाय एतत् should this be in chaturthi or or
what is the English meaning for the sentence?
this child, this balak, likes this book.
This book. So this book is Chaturthi or any other vibhakti?
Dvitiya.
Yes. Not Ditiya, sorry. Prathama. This book is Prathama.
I'm sorry. Etasmai balakaya saha pustakam.
Not Saha Pustakam, Tat Pustakam.
Okay, tat pustakam rochate.
Huh. This us is means etasmai or tasmai.
Tasmai balakaya.
Yes.
Pustakam rochate.
Before, what is the word before Pustakam?
This book. So.
What Shabda should come there? First, whatever you told is correct. Etat Pustakam.
Tat pustakam rochate.
Etat Pustakam rochate. Tasmai balakaya etat pustakam rochate. Next, Guru शिष्य पर क्रोध करता है.
गुरुः शिष्याय क्रोधति.
गुरुः शिष्याय
क्रोधति.
Is it Atmanepari? What are you saying? Krodhati or krodhate?
क्रोधति अनन्तरं
Krudhyati. Dhatu is krudhyati. Next.
So Purnaji, I had a question like that Krud Dhatu has 3 components in that Lot Lakara, right? Krudyatat, Krudyatad and Krudyatu. Which one should be used?
In Lot Lakara?
Yeah, here Guru, like, Sishayak, if you say Krudyatu, there are other components also. Krudyatat, Krudyatad. When can they be used?
Krudyatat, Krudyatat, Krudyatu. All 3 are Lot Lakara. But here it is not Lot Lakara. It is Lat Lakara only. That Lot Lakara will come if it is Vidhi or it is Amantrana, Nimantrana kind of things. Yesterday we saw.
Okay,
right?
okay, sorry.
It will come. It will come later also. In these Vakyas, again it will come. Guruhu Shishyaya Krudhyati. Next. यहाँ दुर्जना उस सज्जन से द्रोह करता है.
अत्र दुर्जनः तस्य
It is not yaha. Ha, dirgha and chandrabindu, when it is there, then it is atra. It is yaha. Right?
Yes, yes.
I think in this space that yaha is not there.
यः
यह दुर्जन उस सज्जन से द्रोह करता है.
यः means here only, no? In Hindi also.
This
In
yaha.
this case, it is this one. This person. It's in that context, Shivananji.
Not atra. This person. Yes, this person. Yaha.
Durjanaya.
1 minute. This yaha is atra, right?
Yes, Punaji, that is it. Yaha.
Yaha, vaha, vaha also. They, tatra means vaha.
Vaha is tatra. Vaha is tatra.
Here also Chandrabindu will come. This difference is there in Hindi. In pronunciation, that difference we may not see, but in writing, this difference will be there. Yaha, vaha. Somebody is answering.
Etad durjanaya.
Okay, in Telugu, the sentence is, ఈ దుర్జనుడు ఆ దుర్జనుడికి ద్రోహం చేస్తున్నాడు.
एतद् दुर्जनः तस्य सज्जनं द्रोहं करोति.
Okay. What is the first word?
एतत्. एतः.
Etad is which linga? Napumsakalinga prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Here, durjana is which linga?
Akaranta pullinga.
Akaranta pullinga. So whatever is the namavachaka, shabda, linga, vachana, vibhakti, vachana, same should be there for sarvanama shabda. Yaha is the sarvanama shabda, durjana is the namavachaka. So whatever is the linga, vachana, vibhakti, vachana, same should be there for yaha. Now
येषः दुर्जनः तस्य सज्जनं द्रोहं तस्य सज्जनं द्रोहं करोति.
There is one niyama. We saw कृध द्रुह ईर्ष्या असूया अर्थानां यं प्रति कोपः यम प्रति कोपः, उसमें चतुर्थी होती है, means that karaka will be in chaturthi. Here druh is the dhatu. Druh is the dhatu. In this droha is there, for that druh we have to use. For druh dhatu, what is the lat lakara pratham purusha ekavachanam?
सज्जनायं द्रुह्यति द्रोहे 1 minute अम्मा सज्जनायं द्रुह्यति द्रुहति
Sajjanayam, what is Sajjanayam shabda?
सज्जनायं चतुर्थी विभक्ति, means they are doing for that for the sajjana they are doing cheating. That's the reason
Sajjana, if it is chaturthi vibhakti, what is the pratipadika? Sajjana is the pratipadika.
Yes,
Like akaranta pullinga. What is the Rama shabda chaturthi vibhakti? Ekavachanam?
Ramaya.
What shabda should come here?
Sajjanaya.
Sajjanaya. Us sajjanaya. Us sajjanaya means?
That.
That sajjana means? What shabda should come there? Us sajjan means etasmai tasmai sajjanaya druhyati.
Yes,
एषः दुर्जनः तस्मै सज्जनाय दृह्यति.
Druhyati.
Okay. Please, these Sanskrit vakyas, everyone should write before the class. Not every word look into books and search books. We will not move forward. So,
Okay.
Everyone should write the vakyas, and then we are just going to quickly we are going to finish one by one. Everyone will read whatever they have right. If there are any mistakes, we will correct. Okay. वहाँ मूर्ख इस विद्वान से ईर्ष्या करता है. Next.
सः मूर्खः
Somebody did not do.
Viji did not do.
सः मूर्खः सः मूर्खः एतस्मै विद्वान् means विद्वान्.
Vipraya you can use.
Okay. विप्राय ईर्ष्यति.
सः मूर्खः एतस्मै विप्राय ईर्ष्यति. वह गुरु
Vidvanaya, is it wrong if we say Vidvan? Because I wrote Vidvanaya. Is that wrong?
No. Vidvan shabda is different. Vidvan, vidvansau, vidvansaha, vidvansam, vidvansau, vidushaha. Vidusha, vidushabhyam, vidushebhyaha. Vidushaya will come chaturthi ekavachanam.
Okay. Okay.
सः मूर्खः न तस्मिन्
సహ మూర్ఖః. ఆ మూర్ఖుడు ఈ విద్వాంసుని ఈర్షిస్తున్నాడు. అర్థమైందా ఇక్కడ ఎవరు చతుర్థిలో ఉండాలనేది? ఎవరి ఎందైతే ఈర్ష్య కలుగుతుందో ఆ వ్యక్తి చతుర్థిలో ఉండాలి. ఎవరికి కలుగుతుందో వాళ్ళు కాదు. The one who has irsha is not going to be in chaturthi. On whom we are having irsha, that person will be in chaturthi. Is this clear?
Yes.
Next, वह गुरु इन शिष्यों को उपदेश देता है.
सः गुरु एतस्मै शिष्याय उपदेशं ददाति.
उपदिशति also we can use.
उपदिशति. Correct.
दिश धातु उपसर्ग पूर्वक उपदेश उपदिशति.
But this is plural sishya, right? So it should not be etebhyah sishyebhyah.
Yes. Plural, it is plural. Etebhyah shishebhyah.
शिष्येभ्यः. Correct.
सः गुरुः एतेभ्यः शिष्येभ्यः उपदिशति. नेक्स्ट, राजा सेनापति से कहता है.
नृपः सेनापतिं कथयति.
You see the niyama 40. कथ निवेदय उपदिश धारया स्पृह कल्पते संपद्यते तथा हितं सुखम. When these shabdas comes, then chaturthi vibhakti will come. Now what is the vakya in Sanskrit?
नृपः सेनापति should be in chaturthi, right? सेनापतये कथयति.
Yes. नृपः सेनापतये कथयति. शिष्य गुरु से भोजन के लिए निवेदन करता है. शिवानंद जी.
गुरवे भोजन गुरवे भोजनाय निवेदयति.
There is a niyama for this also. When chaturthi artham, whenever this word comes, then chaturthi vibhakti will come. So here, if it is krute, then shashti. Here they have given in bracket artham and krute. So shishyaha gurave bhojanartham nivedayati. Right?
Bhojanartham. Bhojanartham, mama, that one I didn't get.
Yes. Whenever artham shabda comes, Bhojanartham means for the sake of bhojana.
Okay. Okay.
Huh. Bhojanartham means for the sake of bhojana. This artham word gives the meaning that for the sake. So we have
Okay.
to add to bhojana, bhojanartham. So Guru will be in Chaturthi. Shishyaha Gurave bhojanartham nivedayati.
Okay.
Let us see the there is no sutra they have given here. Yeah, we can use just bhojanartham in the fourth case. Instead of bhojanaya, we should use bhojanartham. नेक्स्ट वहां मुनि मोक्ष के लिए ईश्वर को भजता है.
सः मुनिः मोक्षाय ईश्वरं भजति.
यस. नेक्स्ट चार वर्ण है
Pulaji,
ब्राह्मण.
is it mokshaya or mokshartham?
मोक्षार्थम also using मोक्षाय.
Is it mokshaya, mokshartham, or both, Pulaji?
What even about that?
We can use both. They have not given specifically artham, but mokshaya, mokshartham, both are same meaning.
Yes.
But we don't know by which rule. That rule is not clear. What they have made that rule, they have not given the sutra also. They have not given. I look it in Chaturthi Vibhakti sutras and we'll find out if there any extra other meaning.
Ishwar also should be in Chaturthi, no?
How?
Because request means it is praying for Ishwar, no?
No, we are not praying for Ishvara. We are praying to Ishvara. Means praying to Ishvara.
It's like Okay.
Namaha swasti swaha swadha alam vashat yogacha. In that sutra, when Namaha comes, then all the deities will be in Chaturthi. Right?
Okay.
Chinmayaya Namaha, Shankaracharya Varyaya Namaha. Like that when we say, that is by the sutra, Namaha swasti swaha swadha alam vashat yogacha, by that sutra. And Ishvara can be, when we do namaskar, Ishvara can be in Dvitiya also. This is another niyama.
Okay.
So when we say fourth case, then all those shabdas should be there. Here Namaha is not there, Swasti is not there, Swadha, Alam, Vashat, Yo, all these shabdas are not there, so we can use it Dvitiya. Okay. Next. चार वर्ण है ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय, वैश्य और शूद्र.
चातुर्वर्णम या
What is the first word?
चत्र. चतुर्थवर्णाय
Chatur is the Shabda. Pratipadika is Chatur.
चतुर्थाय वर्णाय
When we say Nalugu, Nalugu will come in which vibhakti?
चतुर्थी
Prathama. Chatvaraha.
ओके
चत्वारः वर्णाः सन्ति. ब्राह्मणः, क्षत्रियः, वैश्यः, शूद्रः च. Is this clear?
यस
Yes, Purnaji. Is it okay to write Chatvari Varnaha Brahmanah Kshatriya Vaishya cha Shudraha Santi in the end, or
Chatvari varnaha. Is that the word? Even
No.
Chatvari is which linga?
No, that I got, Purnaji. Prathama Bahuvachanam. That is okay. I'm just asking the position for Santi. Chatvari Varnaha Santi.
Chatvari is which? Chatvari is what?
नपुंसकलिंग
Is it Bahu? It's Bahuvachanam, right? Prathama Bahu.
Nitya
No.
Bahuvachanam. There
Nitya
is
Bahu.
no
Correct.
Nitya Bahuvachanam. There is no Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam. Only Bahuvachanam is there. So Chatvari is the Napumsakalinga. Chatvaraha is the Pullinga.
Chatvaraha Varna. Then it will be Chatvaraha Varna.
Yes, Chatvaraha
Oh.
Varnaha Santi. Brahmanaha, Kshatriyaha. Actually, Brahmanaha, Kshatriyaha, Vaishyaha, Shudrascha.
Okay.
Because we can't say Brahmanadu, Kshatriyadu,
Correct.
Brahmana, alone. So we can use all our Bahuvachanam. Next, वह गुरु इन शिष्यों को विद्या देता है.
गुरुः एतेभ्यः शिष्येभ्यः विद्यां ददाति.
Yes. राम ये फल चाहता है.
रामः फलेभ्यः स्पृह्यति.
What is that? Ramah
फलेभ्यः फलाय फल, right?
Falebhyah. What is the Sarvanama Shabda?
Ramah, is it tebhyah?
I think E means etebhyah.
Etebhyah falebhyah.
These fruits, right?
Yeah.
Then etebhyah.
Phal is one fruit only. Ram ye phal chahta hai, right? Ye phal लोगों को चाहता है. It's not like that. Phal. So one fruit.
Is it Ekavachanam only?
Ye phal. Identifying one fruit. Ye phal.
Okay, then what will be the?
Ramah tasmai
Is it
Palaya.
tasmai or etasmai?
Etasmai.
Huh.
The fal chaturthi, I'm like getting confused.
Fal is the what is the pratipadika?
Phalam.
How it goes?
Phalam, phale, phalani, phalam. Phalaya.
Huh.
Phalaya. Spruhyati.
Spruhayati. This is
Spruhayati.
10th conjugation. Spruhayati. सारे पापों को छोड़ो. Next.
सर्वेभ्यः पापेभ्यः त्यज्य त्यज त्यजः
एक क्षत्रिय उन वैश्यों और शूद्रों की रक्षा करे.
Sare means
सर्वम. All.
okay.
What did you say the answer, Aparna ji?
Sorry, what did you say, Punaji?
What did you say, 13th one?
सर्वेभ्यः पापेभ्यः त्यज्य त्यज त्यज
सर्वाणि पापानि त्यज.
सर्वाणि पापानि त्यज. Okay.
Because this tyaj dhatu is not saying the use the fourth chaturthi vibhakti. So all sins, you should leave the all sins, means you should negate all the sins, eliminate. Sarvani papani tyaja.
त्यज.
Okay. एक क्षत्रिय उन वैश्यों और शूद्रों की रक्षा करे. Next. Who's supposed to say?
శివానంది అనుష అయితే
అమ్మ ఏ అంటే ఏంటండి?
ఆ క్షత్రియులు ఈ వైశ్యులను మరియు శూద్రులను రక్షించాలి. ఆ క్షత్రియులు ఈ వైశ్యులను మరియు శూద్రులను రక్షించాలి.
క్షత్రాయ వైశ్యః శూద్రః చ రక్ష.
ఆ క్షత్రియులు, which shabda it should come?
తస్మై.
Why it is tasmai? Who should be in tasmai? You have not understood this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ఆ క్షత్రియులు ఎవరైతే రక్షణ పొందుతున్నారో వాళ్ళు చతుర్థిలో ఉండాలి. రక్షణ ఇచ్చే వాళ్ళు కాదు. రక్షణ ఇచ్చే వాళ్ళు ప్రథమాలో, రక్షణ పొందే వాళ్ళు చతుర్థిలో ఉండాలి.
सः क्षत्रियः ब्राह्मणाय शूद्राय च रक्ष
All are plural. Vaishya, Shudra. Vaishya, Shudra. Both are plural.
वैश्याः शूद्राः च रक्ष
Vaishya, Shudra should be in which vibhakti?
वैश्येभ्यः
सः क्षत्रियः एतान् वैश्यान् शूद्रान् च रक्षेत.
Rakshatya.
Rakshatu or raksheta. Both we can use. Rakshatu if we use, it is lot lakara. Raksheta if we use, then it is vidhiling lakara. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, वहाँ गुरु इन शिष्यों को सॉरी यह दूसरी पुस्तक है.
एतद् अन्य पुस्तकम् अस्ति.
Yes. वह मनुष्य राम. What is that word?
I cannot read it only, Purnaji. Kasa or something.
वह मनुष्य कृष्ण का स्वरूपी का ऋणी है.
अच्छा, कृष्ण.
Krishna, that is Krishna. Krishna. Instead of Rama, here it is Krishna is there in the book. Rama का स्वरूपी का ऋणी है. Who will say this?
सः मनुष्यः रामाय शतं ऋणम् अस्ति
धारयति.
ओके.
ध्रु धातु ऋणी होना. It says the another meaning. Lend means runam, right?
In debt is Rinam.
Debt is runam. That is easy. Dharayati. There is no runa word come. Saha manushyaha ramaya shatam dharayati. Yes. Next, Shishuniki hitam undali. Shishyaka hit ho.
शिष्याय हितं भवतु.
शिष्याय हितं bhavatu. Yes, we can use bhavatu or astu. whatever. But it should be lot lakara or vidhiling lakara bhavet.
Punani, can you repeat the 14th sentence one more time? Ye
Okay.
Kshatriya Yeah, that's
Huh.
one sentence.
Huh. You want me to say again?
Yes, please.
Okay. Ye kshatriya. Ye kshatriya. Ye kshatriya means in English this kshatriya, right?
Yes.
Is this ekavachana or bahuvachana?
Ye Kshatriya is Bahuvachana.
Huh. Then te kshatriyaha. If it is ekavachana, then saha kshatriyaha. If it is bahuvachana, then
Te Kshatriya.
te kshatriyaha etan vaishyan shudrancha rakshanti. Because it is plural, so it is rakshanti. Otherwise, if it is singular, then rakshati.
Here, Chaturthi will not come.
అమ్మా ఇది లోట్లో వస్తుందమ్మా లేకపోతే అట్లా వస్తుందమ్మా రక్షక
Sorry, lot. Rakshe. Raksheta. Rakshe.
Rakshantu, right? Punaji?
Will come.
Rakshantu, right? Punaji or Rakshe?
Rakshantu is lot lakara. Vidhiling
Huh.
is raksheyuhu.
Rakshayuhu. Yes.
This raksha dhatu is not saying the chaturthi vibhakti. There are only these dhatus: krudha, droha, irsha, asuya. These four, and then here kat, nivedaya, upadisha, dharayati, spruha, kalpate, sampadhyate, hitam, sukham. These shabdas only will come when these shabdas are there. Chaturthi will come. Here raksha dhatu is not saying it should be in chaturthi, so we can use dvitiya bahuvachanam.
But you said beneficiaries should be in Chaturthi, right?
Yes.
But here, Vaishya and Shudra, are they not beneficiaries of this?
Actually, here that kshatriya, these kshatriyas should protect these Vaishya, Shudra and all. So somebody is saying that these kshatriyas should protect these people.
Okay. Okay, Punaji.
I think if it is in the act of protecting, right, Punaji, then it might be in Chaturthi. If it is saying that the Kshatriya is protecting Vaishya, then I think it must be in Chaturthi.
I don't understand. Please say again.
No, what I was saying was that if it is in the act of protection, if it is going on, then I think it is in Chaturthi. But this is just like a...
This is act of protection only.
No, when they are being protected, when
correct,
somebody is really doing it,
that's
yes.
then it will be in Chaturthi?
Yes.
That's what I meant, yeah. If it is in the act of when they are
Yes.
actually protecting.
Yes. Okay, you can do all these exercises. You can practice. Then vrikshaha means tree. Prasadaha building. Shaishavam means childhood avastha, state, childhood days, and childhood avastha, state. Upavanam means park. Praja, people. Vela, time. Up to this, all shabdas. Praja and Vela both are Strilinga shabdas. Up to Upavan, these two shabdas are given. Vrikshaha, Prasadaha are Pullinga shabdas. Shaishavam, Upavanam are Napumsakalinga. Praja and Vela are Strilinga shabdas. Bhi means Bhaya, fear. Trai, all are dhatus. Trai means to protect. Adhi, upasarga purvak, in gatau dhatu, meaning is to study. The prathama purusha ekavachanam goes like adhihi or madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Have you heard this word adhihi?
Yes, Purnaji.
Where?
Adhyanam,
Adhyanam is different. Adhihi is different.
in one of Swamiji's classes only, I don't remember where, but I have heard it.
Adhihi Bhagavan Brahma Vidyam.
Yes.
The Kaivalyopanishad, first mantra. Adhihi. Next, Ani. A upasarga purvak. Ni dhatu. Meaning is to bring. Aniya is the shabda. Have you heard? Aniya. I'll give you hints. Swamiji loves that Upanishad. In that Upanishad, that chapter he loves so much.
Manduka Upanishad, I don't know which one though.
Not Mandukya. Okay, we'll see that later. Huh?
Aniya.
Aniya? Aniyan Hyatarakyamanu Pravesh. Is that? No. That Aniyan is different. What I am saying is Aniya, 6th chapter, Lavanam Aniya, Uddalaka Muni says to Shvetaketu. Then I don't remember which word Shvetaketu uses. But Uddalaka Muni says, bring salt. Lavanam Aniya. That one. Rute. Rute means what?
Here it is saying bina, so without.
But this word, generally, what meaning will come to our mind? Rutam means?
Satyam.
Rutam means Satyam. Rutam, I don't know whether it is Avya or Namavachaka. If it is Namavachaka, then Rute, Chaturthi will become Rute. So here Rute is Avyaya Padam. Rute means without. This is there in Advaita Makaranda. Advaita Makaranda, shloka number 7. there rite word came. Arat. Have you heard this arat word? In this chapter, many words are from different texts. Arat is from where?
Arat upakaraka.
Yes, Artha Sangraha. There, arat means far. Here, two meanings are given: Samipa and Dura. Near and far, both. Prabhuti. Prabhuti means from that time onwards. You can write these meanings. From that time onwards.
I don't
Arabhya.
know why they wrote Ukta Samay se lekar. It should be Us Samay se lekar, right, Punako? Is it? Right?
Yes, yes. Us samay se lekar.
Us Samay, right? Not Ukta.
There is mistake.
Yeah.
Mm. If it is Ukta samay se lekar, what will be the meaning in English?
From the time which is spoken, from then on to how long? Like that. Ukta Samay se lekar. From the time it was spoken, how long did it take? Like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Prabhuti means since then. Since then, you can write since then.
Okay. Since.
Arabhya. Arabhya means beginning. Bahihi, outside. Purvaha, east or before. Both meanings can come. East, before. Pashchimaha, west. Uttaraha, south. Dakshinaha, north. Prak. Purva, Pashchima, Uttara, Dakshina. These are little bit changing. Purva changed as Prak. It is towards east. Pashchima changed as Pratyak, towards west. Uttara changed as Udak. Udak. Towards south. Dakshinaha changed as Dakshina, towards south. Towards Uttara is towards north. Dakshina is towards north. Next, what is the word given?
Dakshina is towards north, Purnaji?
Sorry, towards south. Next, Bhinnaha. Bhinnaha means different. Atiriktaha. Atiriktaha also same meaning. Different from this. Like that meaning can come. There is one more word in this. Dakshinaha means Chaturaha also. Another meaning, Dakshinaha means Chatur. Chatur means intelligent. niyamas we will see tomorrow. All these are very nice to know with sutra and vritti. I have already made the sutras. If you want, you can look at it in this third tab. Here, Panchami Vibhakti Sutras. These are the Panchami Vibhakti. So, whenever we have doubt, we can come and look at what are the Panchami Vibhakti sutras, which dhatu, when which dhatu comes, then which shabda should be in Panchami. For that, all those niyamas we can look at here. I'll prepare, if I get time, for Chaturthi and Dvitiya, Prathama also. But it is good now, at least from Panchami onwards, we can make in this way. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.